A year we did not expect. A new normal we could never predict. The coronavirus hit businesses globally. More livelihoods than lives were lost during the pandemic. But what if we could imagine a new day? A day when businesses are back in business, when employees return to work, customers are back happily, when kids go back to school. Imagine a day when you don't have to imagine that day. It's already here, introducing a revolutionary first-of-its-kind life-saving technology with 99.9% efficacy in neutralizing the coronavirus. The Shycocan, invented by an Indian scientist, Dr Rajah Vijay Kumar, who holds over 30 inventions including the Cytotron, a simple plug-and-play wall-mounted device. The Shycocan emits photons that form an electron cloud in an indoor space. The negative charged electrons neutralize the positive charge of the coronavirus, thereby disabling it from infecting a person. No chemicals, no UV rays, no side effects, completely non-toxic, and 100% safe for humans and animals. It also disables other corona and influenza family of viruses. Each device covers an area of up to 1,000 square feet indoors and consumes just as much electricity monthly as a 40-watt light bulb. A one-time installation, no consumables like filters, solutions, etc., plus expert consultation to custom fit your requirements. A global service and support network including 100 plus Indian cities with an unbeatable replacement warranty. The Shycocan will keep you safe. The Shycocan has been proven to be 99.9% effective against the coronavirus across multiple and the most stringent virology lab test reports. It has already been installed by several organizations like the Tatars, Finicus and Cello, besides the Indian Defence Forces, among others. Let's make your business safe for you, your employees and your customers. Let's bring business back to business today. Log on to shycocancorp.com for inquiries.